Alright, what's up guys, it's Yagami, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of pimples on your face in Photoshop. This takes literally 30 seconds, it's so easy. So what you want to do is press this clone stamp tool and alt click around somewhere that your pimple is on your skin, which is clear. So like right here, alt click and let go of alt and paint over your pimple. Paint over your pimple. Just like this. And yeah, it's literally that easy. It's gonna color over it with your skin color, and if it's too light or too dark, you can press this tool right here. If you go on dodge, it's gonna light up the area a little bit, and if you press burn, it's gonna darken the area a little bit. So this is how it looks after the effect, and this is how it looks before the effect. Before and after. You can literally see how much better that looks. So if this video helped you guys, please like the video and comment what I should do next on Photoshop. If you have like something very specific you need to do, I can probably get that video up in like a week. And subscribe if you really want to. And I'll see you guys later.